Experiencing no signal on your Rogers or Xfinity TV. First, check all cable connections are secure. For Rogers Ignite or Xfinity, ensure your modem and router are functioning by restarting them. Unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. App crashes? Clear the app's cache and data in your device settings. Then, update the app through the App Store. Ensure your device's operating system is compatible with the app's latest version. These initial steps resolve most common issues. Remember to always restart your devices first. Buffering or seeing error codes like XRE03111. These are usually due to bandwidth issues. Run a speed test. You need at least 25 megapx for HD streaming. Reduce Wi-Fi interference by moving closer to your router or switching to a 5 GHz network. For a more stable connection, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. If problems persist, the issue might be on the provider's end. Check Rogers or Xfinity's support pages or social media for outage updates. Consider switching to a wired connection to minimize interruptions.